guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to everybody, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I did this simple look using mainly I don't know if I can call it simple, so I guess we can call it kind of simple. But anyways, without further ado, I thought I would just take you guys into the tutorial. So as my base, I'm using my e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer and putting that all over my eyelid. I'm using a dense brush from Amazon to apply the concealer. And to set that concealer up, I'm using the Carli Bybel palette, the lightest shade in that palette. Next, I'm going to go into the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place and take Morocco as my transition shade and apply that all over the crease area and just blend it out. And this is one of my favorite brushes to use to blend out the crease area especially. And I got it as a set, but if you are still interested to get it, I will leave you guys a link in the description box. Once that's done, I'm going to take Jezebel from the same palette and apply it on the two outer corners and connect them in the middle. And I'm using a smaller blending brush for this one from BH Cosmetics. I also take the same eyeshadow and bring it down on the bottom eyelid, and the first one as well, to apply it on the bottom eyelid. One last time, I'm going to go into the Nubian palette and take Egypt. Such a gorgeous color. I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again because it's so beautiful. Anyways, I'm going to take that. I'm going to apply it with my finger just because I get the best color payoff. And once I've applied that in the center, I go ahead and use a flat brush to kind of just pull the colors in and blend it out with the purple that I applied previously, and just kind of make it more seamless and, you know, kind of flowy. So I go ahead and blend that out. Next, I'm going to move on to the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place and take Daya as my brow highlight and just brighten up that area. For my mascara, I'm going to be taking the Rimmel London Wonder Lash Mascara. Once that's all dry and everything, for my lashes, I'm going to be going with Armika lashes from Amazon and apply it on. The glue that I'm using to apply the lashes on is just the Duo Lash Glue by Ardell. And finally, to finish off the look, first I'm using my Wet n Wild lipstick. I think this one is in Bare It All. And then I top it off with the NYC Big Bold lip gloss right on top of it. And that's how I achieve the eyes and the lips. Just to kind of make this video short, sweet, you know, to the point, I guess. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, of course, and subscribe. Helps me out. And if you leave your comments, I appreciate that as well. With that being said, I will see you guys on another video.